Okay, so we back. I'll very quickly do the top down. So coming to daily, we see that previous day expanded heavily and kind of giving us that feel that we want to target these failure swings on YM and NQ will on NQ this fair value gap, daily fair value gap will be my draw, and again on ES will all these failure swings will be my draw. I've just marked the closest swing points on YM and ES. So current current bias is bullish. 4 hour, we do have SMT at the low of the day with NQ, right? So I can see this as a SMT fill, and then we expand. 2 a.m. expands heavily. 6 a.m. is not expanding heavily though, but we do have small, sort of cracks as such. We do have all these failure swings that I take note of, but honestly, currently we do have this SMT as well with NQ, which is happening around the 6 a.m. open. So expansion, and then this is retracement. This is getting ready to expand again towards the high. Having said that, I do want this low to be taken out because it is like sort of equal lows on ES as well, and this is hourly fair value gap from which I guess we can make the actual SMT. Having said that, coming to 30, we see this as we see this CSD here on YM, although YM is tend to give CSD because it's the strongest asset, but none of the other assets are reversing that heavily. We do have this fair value gap on 15, and this definitely looks like V-shape reversal, but I'm still not very convinced to take this for the New York Open, right? So I might just do the forward testing for this particular position right now, and I will take the continuation to the upside. So here's the New York Open and completely negates this SMT and fair value gap. Now we do have equal lows at this point with NQ, on NQ, which is like hourly fair value gap, and this is still equal lows, 4481.25 and low is 4481, exact equal lows, but we do sweep that on ES. So I guess it's fine. We definitely have this SMT with YM and ES, which is weird. ES wasn't supposed to go this down. So someone out of these three is telling a lie to me. 6 a.m. opens up, all these failure swings on NQ. Bro, I might just wait for this 15-minute to close, and probably I'll take the next continuation, although I am bullish and this does look like it wants to just expand and bomb away to the upside. Having said that, this doesn't validated as seed 2 plus CSD and all that good shit before 9 minutes, right? So, and it just rips up. So fine to me. Now this is valid manipulation now, and yeah, this is as well. Yeah, everybody is expanding Now I need a good structure. I can't trade the highest point of the day. So having said that, I will trade NQ because I have cleared draw and all these draws are done. ES still can go higher, but it's still, sort of not expanding as I'm expecting. We do have accumulation, and this can be seen as a manipulation to the downside on 5 minute, but this is 10 AM open here. So I should wait for some sort of crack or anything around here. Do we get, yeah, we do get this SMT fill here. Just peeking 4-hour structure. So for 6 AM low with the SMT, now probably 10 AM low with SMT as well. This is a small enough wick for me, but would have loved if we make a deeper retracement in like around this, half of the previous candle. Tough for me. Let's see if we get this CST, and then probably I'll take it. If I would have taken it, I would have already be like break even at the highest point of the day. Having said that, I see this YM is, now getting weaker, and it's pulling NQ to the downside as well. Very weaky in my opinion, so I can't really take this. I need one more swing, to be honest, or the continuation, whatever works. So not a clean CST, no CST yet. Yeah, so now this is accumulation. I will just zoom out a little and see the whole structure here. So other assets are now retracing or probably reversing, so to speak. We do have SMT at the highs with NQ, and these guys are now, reversing heavily. Why? Because they sort of like YM sort of reached its closest swing point on daily, and it's like it failed to manipulate that, yeah, on all the time frames. So I'm clear on that, but I still wanted to, hold this particular space around here. I'll wait for 5 minutes to get the close of this candle. We do get this close. Now 10:30 does not have a wick. And YM is sort of expanding away without a wick. Bro, come on, make a wick, bro. We're still around 10 AM. Tough read. Huge expansion away, sort of V-shape reversal around here. I don't know, man. Yeah, expected this deep retracement. I guess the day is done. I feel like the day is done. We do get this CST. Wait, let me just Okay, so we tap into this fair value gap. We made a very deep retracement on ES and YM, which is why it's the read has become a little tough. But after making this SMT at the highs, we haven't expanded lower, and I can see this as an accumulation. Now this clearly looks like a manipulation to me on 15, and this also looks like 30 minutes C2 close, and this can be I can see this as 30 minute C3, 15 minute C3 as well. And what does the hourly say? Hourly kind of sucks, bro. Okay, so I want this tap here or this tap here, probably tap on NQ, honestly, because it's closer to this fair value gap. We do have this strength switch happening again as of now, like this, but it's only going to break soon. I just want some asset to sweep this. Again, can't. Okay, we got the sweep here, which is what hourly gap. What is the time? 11. We still have time. We still do have time. So still more than 50 minutes on this hourly gap. So this can go higher, I guess. We do have this as a PSP on ES. Can ES trade higher? I guess not. There is not fair value gap on ES, so I'll just avoid ES completely. I might trade YM to the upside. Still bullish for me. We do get this tap here. Right? Yeah. Cool. Just got a tap. Can this be an expansion candle now? I don't think so. Not at least on NQ. And very wiki here. I kind of need this close on YM to even consider longing it, right? We don't get it. So I guess my day is done around here, because now it's sort of, expanding, like it's in the new phase of price, because we tapped into this high, relevant high. We made the SMT, and now we are expanding lower, but that also it's not quite clean. At least not on YM, so to speak. Okay, because it's strongest asset, but I guess it's not even clean on NQ as well. It was sort of accumulating, and then this looked like manipulation, but then it just started dropping. It just started dropping like 10 minutes ago. So not a clean price action, even to trade lower. So NQ just drops heavily, and clears everything which was lower. Bro, did I miss anything? There was not even a continuation structure as well. Even if I would consider this as reversal or whatever, there is no kind of like where can I enter? There's nowhere. It's just expanding. So okay, new phase of price. We do have an SMT around here. Do we get the continuation, or should we even look for the continuation to the downside? Probably, because oof. Okay, we just opened up 6 hour, like this is 12 p.m. I can only target this fair value cap. That's it. And my day will be done, I guess. And this is also, I feel like I'm forcing the trade just because I want to trade. So I don't know, man. I'll just let it play because, okay, even though I know it will reach this low, I don't want to even, okay, this got OB'd, but then it got omitted on NQ. Clearly, no clear follow through for me. This was a good drop, but I clearly didn't expect this drop. And yeah, I guess I can look for 6R C3. Okay, so within 6 minutes, this will be validated like this, and then probably bro, why you like this, bro? Can I still take this? I don't know, man. Honestly. Wait for 15. So this looks a clean manipulation here with the SMT. So I can take this to the downside. Or if I get any continuation low on the lower time frames, I can even take that. But till where? I don't have anything to target except this low, and it's so like we are all also in hourly, so nothing. Okay, I'll just say this: nothing is aligned clearly. So I will go to the new day, right? We do get that 2R probably from here. Let me just check if we got the 2R. No, this closes here. Okay, there was no follow through. Clearly there was no follow through. If I enter here, let's say I entered here, and yeah, there was no 2R for tomorrow on yesterday. If anything, we got stopped out clearly. And if I go on 5 minute, here was the entry, the next entry after this tap. If I was looking for the CSD, we got that CSD after. So cool, good to know that skipped well. It sucks when you frame all this huge heavy shit and don't get an entry, don't get a clear entry. Honestly, we are currently manipulating that relevant high, not relevant, but the closest high, because it is failure swing to this high. Wiki price action, so to speak. So let's say if I see this as an external range, where can we go towards is this fair value gap. This is not a fair value gap yet. We haven't closed yet for the day. And we are here on NQ. Did we get tapped? No, we didn't. So I want the driver to tap into this fair value gap daily, and then probably we can look for higher prices. Having said that, this is the high of the day. We do have a valid C2 closure in 2 a.m. here on NQ and here on YM as well. And yeah, if I get an opportunity to trade higher, I will take it without, waiting for this daily fair value gap to get tagged. Having said that, coming to hourly, I don't see a very clean structure, so to speak, because this is open. We grind lower, and then we give this good C2 in London. And then ideally we should expand with clear displacements. We do have this fair value gap, but it's kind of small. On YM we do have this clean fair value gap. Okay, cool. Do we have any SMT yet? No SMTs yet. If we want to continue higher, it has to happen inside this fair value gap. Cool. Dropping to 30. 6 a.m. opens up higher. Now this is like, okay, goes higher, taps into the daily open, and probably this, I can see this as a new phase of price. Going lower, this I can look as a manipulation, so to speak. Right? So not clear CSD across charts, so I have to wait for the CSD to happen. We do get the CSD. So this CSD got validated after this got open, right? I can't take this particular CSD while the the candle is printing and not closing yet. Yeah, Garrett does, sort of anticipates those sort of closures, but he's a pro, man. I'm still learning his I'm still learning his model, but this does look really clean to the upside on YM. Small wick, expanding higher. We do get this relevant tap, which is highest point of the day. So I might be able, I can't trade it right now at the highest point of the day, but I can expect the new phase of price around here. We do get that new phase of price, and now we might get SMT as well with NQ. Right, we do have this SMT around here. Should I wait for 15-minute close? This is sort of accumulation. So tap inside this fair value gap, nothing like it. We do get that tap. And we get that expansion as well. So I can take this. Again, we are at the highest point of the day. So I should wait. Yeah, I should wait, bro. Yeah. Good thing that I waited, bro. See? Never got that follow through. Never got that follow through, bro. Not even towards this relevant high. Jesus. Okay. Okay, so my draw will be the previous day's high. Because the structure still tells the same story. C3. All I want is C4 continuation. This is C2. This is C3. 10 a.m. continuation. This also can be 10 a.m. continuation. We only don't get the 10 a.m. continuation if this is still a retracement. So how do we know if this is a retracement or not? If we get valid closure above this on lower time frames as well, I might look for the continuation. I need those signatures. I need those SMTs and cracks and all that good shit around this level to continue higher. We are still, kind of respecting this fair value gap across channels. We do have this SMT. We do have this PSP, hourly PSP. Right, with NQ, but it's just very wiki on both the sides, bro. I can see this as a failure swing retracement to, accumulate a little more and then trade higher, so to speak. Too much analysis, bro. Should I just take this shit, bro? No, I should not. Very deep retracement for my taste, but we do get this CSD with the fair value gap. So all wiki bullshit in NQ. I'm only looking for YM longs. If I don't get it, I'm not trading anything because it's the last day of the month. That's it. Cool. It has to cap off the month as well, but if structure allows it, I will take it. 15 minutes C2, 2 minutes, only 2 minutes gone, so this can be an expansion candle. If I get that signature, This is also 10 a.m. open. So, okay, I do get that. Wow, now NQ reverses. But YM does not. Okay, wait, Marty. Wait, Marty. Let me take a closer look on NQ. Very wiki, still very wiki, but if it gives me the CSD, I can take the CSD. If it gives me a loss, it is what it is, I guess. But this is kind of a CSD, and this is kind of a continuation order block on 5 minute. This also looks like this is very wiki. I can't take this. Super wiki in my opinion. I have to wait for, and it just goes without me, I guess. Yeah, man, like if I wait for a lot of time, a lot of what do I call confirmations, I might not get many positions, but when I do, I probably get good positions. So this is also a decent position for me. 10 a.m. opens low, and then yeah, man, I can probably take this continuation around here. I'll take it. My break even is this, so very close to my, position. So most probably I will be break even. Like very easily I can be break even. And I will be anticipating new phase of price. So I'm break even now, and yeah, I'm out as well, out of this position. So better to not trade it at all, right? And now it goes directly to the stop loss. Okay, over analyzing stuff and avoiding things. Cool. Avoiding losses is also a good way to trade, honestly, not gonna lie. But I do need a clear structure still. Okay, I'll just, yeah, bro, it was the last day, so I didn't want it to analyze more. Never got that CSD. We tapped into that high, but then we just starts dropping heavily, right? So again, if I would have been entered here towards that this high, that would have been my break even, and this would have been my target. So I would have gotten out again on break even. Coming back to daily, or probably now I should go to weekly. Okay. In fact, I can go to monthly as well. Wow. Monthly expanded heavily. This was PSP, two-stage PSP, and it's sort of delivering. So this is definitely the next draw, closest draw for me. And ES has to go there. ES has to go there. Like what the bullshit is this? Very clear draw, at least for YM. This is monthly open, and what day is it? Okay, this is Friday, so I'll just... Okay, cool. So this is Monday. Let me just remove everything. I would have taken some trade or something around here because it was... Now this is really clean. Was it very clean on... Was this 10? Oh, not that bad. Not that bad, honestly. It is sort of like, in fact, this is the cleanest day I've seen so far, bro, that I skipped. We open up here. No, sorry. Yeah, we open up here and we sort of goes lower without any, clear high of day, right? No clear high of day, nothing. And this is a retracement. We tap into the daily fair value gap. Nothing gets clear unless we get the New York reversal. So this is New York open. We completely changes everything. This is 10 a.m. open. Also changes everything. So why we get this C2 bullish closure around here, which is why this is very clean. And NQ is NQ is even cleaner, bro. Like we do get this C2 and wait, and this close. Very typical C2 close, and then C2 opens, 10 a.m. opens and we go higher. Let's see if I miss this move. We get a new phase at 12 p.m. with the PSP and all that good shit. No cracks as such, but continuation signatures are there. And then we can trade 2 p.m. continuation as well. Clean. Cool. So clean. Just looking for all the time frames. That's it. Yeah, man, I should have taken this one. Or if I get 3 minute. This is very early position, but I should have taken this one here. Yeah, this will be my... And it goes till how many hours? Let's see. Without anything, it goes to 5 hours. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, coming back to the current day. Wasn't expecting that clean movement on the last day of the month, right? But it is what it is. Last day of the month and last day of the week. So which is why I skipped that. But coming to Monday. Oh, wait. We had news, which is why it was so clean, right? Well, Just a minute. There was this news. What was the news? 10 a.m. news. Right. That's why 10 a.m. expanded. Cool. Good to know. Coming to 4 hour. We don't have anything of true significance on the highs and on lows. So nothing to really see unless we get this tap. And we do have this SMT around here. Cool. But not that clean of a structure, so to speak. Because 6 a.m. is, coming lower, deeper than, I should have liked coming to hourly. So let's see if I see this as a C2 closure. C3 should have expanded, but no, it's going down. And now we are leaving displacements or fair value gaps behind. And okay, so now I can see this as a manipulation. So this is inside a key level, right, which is sort of fair value gap, right? We did had that SMT, but it was not of a very clean of significance. It's very heavily dropped on NQ. Having said that, we do get this PSP on 30-minute. So if we have anything in the upper half of this candle, nothing on the upper half of this candle. Wow. Not a single fair value gap. What the fuck is this, bro? We do get this first fair value gap, closest fair value gap. So this, I can see this as an expansion. Then we started accumulating, and then we expanding again, and then this can be seen as a manipulation. And this is a 10 a.m. open. I can still take this higher. Why? Because we don't have high of the day with the very true significance, but I can take it on YM though. Very clean C2, honestly, but I need the continuation. Let's see. If I see this as a reversal, I can only take this as a continuation. So I need something to continue from, right? If I get anything on lower time frame as well, I can take it. No. Okay, 10 a.m. new low in the making probably, or yeah, 10 a.m. new low. I may take this if I get this close around here, right? We'll see if we get close though, right? This, and it will be a positional entry. I'm not positional as such, but it's too. Am I asking for a lot? How many points am I asking? Not much. Okay. Let's see if we get that close though. We do get this close. Not so clean. So we are currently accumulating, and NQ is dropping lower though. We do have an SMT now. If I get a swing point, no, we don't. YM starts dropping lower, so the whole idea kind of crashes out. So now again coming back to the higher time frame, I can't even take to the lowest point of the day. I can't trade at the lowest point of the day. I'm not missing anything, am I? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I can't take the continuation, though I will take the continuation if I can get any continuation. There's no clear structure, honestly, for me, so how would I take anything, bro? So less trades for me, but I see no clear structure, honestly, to even trade, you know? See now, like, there's no follow through. It's just expanding and then reversing, and like it's wicking and C2. I don't know, man. I don't know about this. For expansion, sort of retracement, possible C2 closure, again accumulating. If I get some sort of manipulation, I don't. See, that this is what I'm talking about, bro. It's like is there any higher clear structure? No clear structure, so to speak. A good C2 closure, but I was looking for low, like when I was looking for higher prices, it doesn't give me higher prices. When I'm looking for lower prices, it doesn't give me lower prices. So no follow through at all. Okay, now I do get this continuation, and now I don't. It's just bullshitting around, bro. What time is this? Okay, I'll go to the next day. My God, how many days have I skipped without a trade, bro? Daily, not so clean as of now. Probably when I see back, I don't see, apart from this day that I skipped, I don't see any clean day for me, honestly. But okay, cool. Now when I come, this is a clean C2. This is the draw for me, very clean. So I will do, I'll take this trade. That's it. I'll take this to the downside. Nothing else. I'm not looking for anything else. We are very close to that low on ES, so I will keep an eye on eye out on that as well. Coming to 4-hour for the structure, we kind of don't have any significant high of the day. And it's even weakless on YM, so I don't know. Still going to look for sort of this price action. But how is the thing? So London opens up and trades lower, leaves this fair value gap behind. So this can be the continuation for us. We already tapped in on NQ, although we haven't, expanded lower from there. So I don't know, man. We also got that CSD. I don't know what we are waiting for. Okay. 6M opens up and trades higher. Let's go to 30. Yeah, not a very clean structure of 6 a.m. Do we have any news? No, we don't. No news today. It's FOMC like in PM, I guess. What day is it? Yeah. Tomorrow it's FOMC minutes. This is Tuesday. Nothing really. It's just like, ping-ponging, accumulating. So I need a new manipulation, which we get here around here on YM. Yeah, clean accumulation on YM. Can't speak, bro. Can't speak. Fuck. Clean manipulation on YM. If we get this closure, nothing like it. We do get that closure. Do we? Yeah, we do get that closure. We do have this NQ SMT. We do have this as well. Do we have any? Yeah, we do have this huge CSD out of this accumulation. This is a clean manipulation for me. Can I take this on 3 minute? I can, but I don't have clear 2R honestly, but I don't even want to wait for continuation or anything. This is already continuation, right? And this is a really clean CSD on 3 minute. Let's see if we get this follow through though. All of the assets, at least ES is sort of expanding lower, and we just got this SMT on NQ, so it's getting weaker, I guess. So we should get a follow through on this. I will place this order here, and let's see if we get this 5 minute closure. Nothing like it. Yeah, we do get that 5 minute closure as well. We are also leaving this fair value cap behind. What will be my break-even point? My break-even point will be the lowest point of the day. Yeah, but we just expands higher. Cool. No problem at all. 10 a.m. opens up. Let me see. Okay, we do have this SMT here. Okay, I don't want to rush now, honestly. So, we get this PSP. And this is the PSP. We do have this SMT as well to the downside, but I want to trade this lower to this point. I may have taken the wrong asset, so to speak. We are still in the 4-hour fair value gap. I just want to peek 6-hour. Okay, I'll still look for lower prices. But I'll wait for more clean structure. We do have this PSP. If we want to trade lower, this will be my point. It should happen now. Now. Yeah. No clear structure, honestly. Still no clear structure, but okay. Completely negates the idea right away. So I will wait for more clear structure. 10 a.m. opens trades higher. Um, why is it retracing this deep every time? Why? Why? Bro, there is something wrong with 30-minute. Always skips. I have to refresh, sorry. It's 1 a.m. at my place. Wow. I have to finish this off very, very soon. Wait, let me just top down again, bro. I can't just trade blindly. So this was supposed to be C3 on daily, which is why we are bearish, right? This was the draw here. And we never took anything, like none of the asset reached there. Then why is this retracing this deep inside the range? That is what I don't really understand. We did had this PSP as well. So I saw that as a continuation PSP, right? Where YM would sweep it and NQ would not, and we might get this continuation PSP to the downside, but we don't even get that. Now even 6R is sort of giving us the reversal vibes inside this, but it's too deep inside the range to even, look for higher prices. So I'm not longing at all, not this day. I am still looking for lower prices. So from where we may look for lower prices? It can happen around here. So we do have this SMT inside the 4-hour gap. Yeah, this here. Okay, cool. Okay. And if we get this C2 closure in the next 10 minutes, we would still go for continuation lower and might take the next loss, but this is the only shot to the downside for today. It's the cleanest draw for me. And so I don't know if 10 a.m. on NQ. Okay, on NQ it does not support that, but on ES it supports that what do I call expansion to the downside, which is closest as well. So what would I want if I want to target lower? First of all, I would like to see some displacements, please. Right? Do we see any displacements around here? We do. 10 a.m. opens up, makes this high, kind of starts going lower. I can see this as an auto block inside the CST, right? And I can this also leaving the displacements lower looks good. If I get this close, I may take it. Do we get any C3? Sorry, 3-minute continuation to the downside. We kind of do, but let's just take it. If it loses, it loses. I don't know, man. I'll still look for... Okay. I don't want the price to come back to the fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap, right? I'll wait for this 15-minute to close, I guess. Nah, I'll still take it, bro. All the assets gave this CSD, out of which NQ has the cleanest CSD. Bro, I should take NQ instead of ES though. Should I? Wait. Bro, just sorry. CSD with the gap, continuation. I'll wait for 3 minutes. We do get that closure. So I should just take it. I'll take it on ES now. Definitely on ES now. To our place, go, boom, 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 takes me out. Clean structure to take me out. Oh, NQ sort of no, nothing really. Sweeps again. Nothing is really following through, so I don't know. It will still go down, but every time takes us out to go down. It's sort of like that. Let me just see the 6R. We do have that SMT at the high. So we should just go lower, right? We make this high. This is the 6 a.m. open. Let me just... Sorry, 6R open. Bro, what am I doing here? Right, if I get the first ICISD, 15-minute ICISD, okay. Okay. Sometimes PM is the cleanest, right? We tap into a relevant low. I need a new phase that I get here, but very deep retracement again. Do we get any SMT? No, we don't. And wow, no follow through at all. No follow throughs at all. It's just roaming around. You know, never reaches that low. On, yes, it does. When? What time? At the last 15 minute of the day, it reaches. It reaches lower. Let me see the CSD. What the CSD that I marked. Okay, this was the first CSD that, and we get out of it, and we nah bro, nah. There is no continuation at all, and I so the day delivers nicely to our stop losses and then to our draws as well. This is the magic of this market, right? It reaches our draw without us. I still would like to see this draws on both the assets to this lows to go on both the assets, but not today. I may end up my stream here. Let's just see how well we did. Not really good, not too good. So we CSD'd this chart of our drawdown here, and then we give the continuation as well. But now we sort of retracing a little, aggressively inside the range to the EQ of this range. So probably we should expand higher. Yeah. We closed March on 0.86%. And we are closing, like, this is the first, so this session was minus 2R. The previous session was plus 4R. Okay, we'll see how this goes. I am trying to make sure that we closes April positively, and from there we starts building up to get out of this drawdown as quickly as possible. But we are taking only quality trades from the last 2 weeks. We have taken only 2 trades here that were win, and we took 2 trades here. Both were losses because the draw was very clean. Having said that, I should not just, trade blindly, even if the draw, the draw is so clean. I should wait for follow-throughs. So I will wait for follow-throughs moving forward. Let's see how this, year closes, because I guess 2016 is not really clean price action, so to speak, but it is what it is. I'll be doing 10 years worth of backtesting in a single stretch from 2016 to 2026 before 2026 gets over, hopefully. Yeah, that's about it. On to the next one. We'll see you in the next session. Peace out.